All right. Welcome, everybody. It's great to see so many of you here for the CI Compass virtual workshop of first one of 2026. The theme for this workshop is AI meets CI, Intelligent Infrastructure for Major and Midscale Facilities. If you want to see who's here, so as of Friday, we had 155 registrants. We have a number of participants, about 24% from the major facilities, almost 20 from mid-scales, a number of other NSF and non-NSF projects, including over 6% of non-NSF research infrastructures and 26 of others. So we would love to hear what you do, where you're coming from. And we have 3 days of presentations, discussions. This morning we have a keynote by Katie-Ann Tippas from NSF. And we will have 2 panels under a general theme for day 1, which is major facilities experience with AI. And the panel 1 will look at the adoption of AI within the major facilities. And the second panel is really looking at the data that's generated by the facilities and how to make this data AI ready. On day 2, we're looking at tools for the major facilities data lifecycle, both the ones that I use today, but also ones we can put in or adopt in the lifecycle in the future. And we have a number of lightning talks from the major mid-scale facilities and other related projects. And then day 3 is looking at AI at large. So it's looking at issues of adopting new technologies such as AI and how to really think about this area of in a social science context of how people look at the new technologies, how they decide to trust or not trust particular technologies for their scientific work. And we also have a number of talks from the community at large, including people from DOE, from NOAA, NASA, and also industry looking at the issues of AI within science and the scientific data lifecycle. Prior to this workshop, we also put out documents and videos. So Chuck Varderman led that effort. And with Don Brower, they put out a tech note, AI and the data lifecycle in these major facilities, looking at what are first framing the problem, what type of AI is available and can be conceptualized, and also how this AI can be introduced into the cyber infrastructure that underlies the data lifecycle within the major facilities. On one hand, giving some examples of existing adoption and also looking in the future how particular agentic AI can be introduced into the process. Then we also, Chuck put out a number of webinars, about 45 minutes each, looking at how to integrate AI into the workflows. And so looking at LLMs, how to use context windows and how to tune them to the desired tasks. And also looking at issues of using tools within LLMs. And with that, it's not only just discussion, but also practical examples of hands-on examples of how you can use these technologies today. So during this workshop, in addition to the workshop, you can connect with us. So we have our website where all the information about the workshop is available. We have, you can contact us via email. We have a LinkedIn and YouTube presence and Twitter as well. And for the mechanics for this workshop, we ask you during discussions to turn on your camera, to raise your hand, to ask questions. You can also use Zoom chat to talk with us. So I'll stop sharing so I can see everybody. So I'm very pleased to see you all here, 90 of you here on this Monday morning to discuss these issues of AI for cyber infrastructure within the major and mid-scale facilities.